Okay, and so now let's find, how do we find the area of an oblique triangle? So, there's 3 different ways we can do it. It's the same exact thing. The formulas just are different because it's based on what they gave us and where we label it, okay? So, what it comes out to be is we got the area of 1/2 times side B times side C times sine of angle A. Or we could say 1/2 of times side A times side B times sine of angle C. Or we could have took 1/2 AC times sine of angle B. Alright, so it doesn't matter which one of those you use. It's just based upon what sides they gave you. Now, what it comes out to be is you got 1/2 of an angle. We got 1/2 times a side times another side times sine of the angle that exists between them. So if you notice, on this first one, your two sides are B and C, but your angle is A. On the next one, your two sides are A and B, so your angle is the third letter, C. And on the last one there, your sides are A and C, and your angle is B. Okay, so it's 1/2 times side 1 times side 2 times sine of the angle that lies between the two sides. So let's look at example 6. It says find the area of a triangle having two sides of lengths 8 meters and 12 meters and an included angle of 135 degrees. Now be careful on the wording here, okay? It's not saying that two sides are 8 meters. It's saying the two sides have lengths that are 8 and 12, okay? So one of them's 8, one of them's 12, and the included angle, included means between them, okay? So the angle that's in between them is 135 degrees. And so we can draw this. Obviously, it's going to have an obtuse angle, so I'm going to try that. And so here's my 135 degrees. And so it says one of these sides is 8 and the other one is 12. And we want to find the area. Now you can label your angles, which will help you label your sides if you want to, okay? Or you can use a formula without doing so. So first I'm going to try the formula without doing it, and then I will label so that you can see that it did work, okay? So to find the area A, which I'm going to write area, sometimes you'll see it actually labeled with the letter K. Since that A is an angle on the triangle, they don't usually label it the same anymore. Alright, so our area is equal to 1/2 times side 1 times side 2 times sine of the angle between them. Now, how's that going to work with the formula? And so let me just pick some sides here. So I'm just going to say, like I did before, this is A, B, and C. So if I do that, this is going to be side B, and this is going to be side C, okay? So it looks like we have the formula for 1/2 C times B times sine of angle A. And so you can see that's actually the first formula that was there, okay? Now if I'd have labeled my angles different, I'd have just had a different formula, but the pattern is still the same. And remember, the formula that I circled is B times C. We had C times B, but order doesn't matter in multiplication. Alright, so anyways, back to this problem. So let's go ahead and now let's just type this in our calculator. We got 1/2 times 8 times 12 times sine of 135 degrees. And we will find that that is approximately 33.94. See, my units are meters and it's area, so it's squared. And so there is our area.